Hello and welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we are going to understand how you can automatically add your Instagram leads as a new contact in your Agile CRM. So I'm running Instagram lead ads to generate new leads for my digital marketing agency. And my objective is whenever I'm going to receive a new lead, then instantly it should be created as a new contact in my Agile CRM so that I don't miss any lead to follow up. So here on my screen, you can see a connection that I've already built between these applications using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. But here, before we talk about this entire process step by step, let me show you that how actually this automation works. So here, to see the working of this automation, we are going to generate a test lead inside my Instagram lead ad, and for that I'm going to use a lead ads testing tool by Meta. So here in my lead ads testing tool by Meta, you can see I've selected a page, product and the form. So this is my lead form, and here I've already pre-filled some details such as first name, last name, email and the phone number. So we're going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see we have successfully generated a test lead inside our Instagram lead ad. So now let's go and check our Agile CRM account. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new contact where you can see the name, email and some other details. So with this, we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. And now in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation by using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here, before moving forward with the connection, let me tell you about Pabbly Community. So Pabbly Community is a space where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the Pabbly Community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the Pabbly Community today. Alright, let's move back to the dashboard, and here to build a new connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button, and then here it is asking us to select the workflow builder. So here you can see two options. One is new beta and the other one is classic. So beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video, we are going to use this beta version by clicking on the select button, and then a create workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow that says add Instagram leads to Agile automatically. And for the folder, I'm going to click on this drop down menu, and here you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as contacts. You can select it as per your requirement. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this learn my hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move back to the dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with automation by simply setting up a trigger. So as you all know that I'm receiving new leads through Instagram lead ads. So I'm going to select my trigger as Instagram lead ads and my event as new lead instant. Then we're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Instagram lead ads. Now here I'm going to select my desired Facebook account, because here I've already connected my Facebook page with my Instagram account, that is with the name Digital Dynamics. So we are going to select the same Facebook page over here while building a new connection. Alright, so we are going to select our Facebook account first, and then you're going to click on this continue, and here you can see we're now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking us to select the page and the lead gen form. So here for the page, I have already shown you that I have my page with the name Digital Dynamics. So we are going to select the same page over here. And then for the lead gen form, let me take you to Meta Business Suite. Alright, so for that we are going to click on this option, and from here we are going to select Meta Business Suite. Now here under this we are going to select the option of all tools, and here under all tools you can see the option of instant forms, and under lead ads form you can see the multiple forms that I have created with different names. So in this case I'm going to use a form that I have with the name new lead ads form. So here I'm going to select the same. So here I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead gen forms. Now after selecting the page and the lead gen form, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. But here before clicking on this button, I'm going to turn on the simple response button in order to receive the response in a simple organized format. But if you want to receive the response in an array format, or you can say in advanced format, then you can simply turn it off. Alright, so we're going to click on the save and send test request, and here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a response we need to do a test submission, and to do a test submission we need to generate a test lead inside our Instagram lead ad. So now here to generate the test lead, let me take you back to lead ads testing tool by Meta. So here in my lead ads testing tool by Meta, I need to delete my previous lead in order to create a new one, because it says you can create one lead per form, you will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So now here to delete my previous lead, I'm going to click on this delete lead button, and after that you need to refresh your window. Now once again we are going to select our page over here, that is Digital Dynamics. Then for the product we are going to select lead retrieval, and for the form I'm going to select my own form, that is new lead ads form. Then we're going to click on this preview form. Alright, so this is our lead form, and again here I'm going to enter some dummy details and make a test submission. So here for the first name I'm going to enter the name as dummy, last name as user, email as dummy@pabblytudes.com. Here for the phone number we are going to add a random phone number. Then we are going to click on this continue and then submit, and here you can see we have successfully generated a test lead inside our Instagram lead ad. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow, and here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received all our lead details. So with this we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead, then instantly I'm going to create a new contact for the same in my Agile CRM. So for that we are going to add an action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as Agile and app event as create contact. Then we are going to click on this connect. Again here we're going to build a new connection, and for that it is asking for the API key. So now here to get the API key, let me take you to my Agile account. So this is my Agile account, and from here we are going to click on the settings, and under settings we are going to select API settings, and here you can see the API key. I'm going to copy it, and then we are going to add it over here. Alright, then we are going to click on this save, and here you can see we are now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking us to add the first name, last name and some other details. So now here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes a text dynamic, so that when you're going to receive a new lead through Instagram lead ad, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the first name we are going to map our lead's first name. Here we're going to map the last name. Here we're going to map the email address, and lastly we're going to map the phone number. Then here these fields are not required ones, so we're going to leave all of them blank. And here for the role we are going to select it as lead, and after that we are going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new contact in our Agile CRM. So let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new contact with the name dummy user. This is the email address, and you can see some other details as well. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected a trigger as Instagram lead ads and an action as a child. So that you're going to receive a new lead through Instagram lead ads, then automatically and instantly it is going to create as a new contact in our Agile account. Alright, so these were the steps to how to add Instagram leads to Agile automatically. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. And I would be really happy if you let us know what type of automation you would like to see the next. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.